In this video, I'm going to teach you how to automate A and B email testing with workflows in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here into the Automation tab on your HubSpot dashboard and click on Workflows. Now on there, you can create a workflow or you can also just edit an existing workflow. Let's head over and edit this one. Now onto this case, let's just add an email step by clicking on this plus icon and then choosing email from the list of what we can do. So you can browse actions and you can see right here the automated or apps that you can use. On this case, let's choose right here and search for email. Click on send email right here, or you can also choose this one. Head over and click on it. Once you're in here, you can just set in here an option to create an A and B test, wherein you can customize version and version B of this email. You can choose between email templates and you can set the enrollment triggers that we have right here, as well as turn on the workflow once you're done. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.